get in my guests into the conversation. Neoma Gupta, BJP spokesman. Neoma, how do you react to this brutal attack that has taken place earlier today? It was shocking. It is an attack on the Chief Minister of Delhi, and it is an attack on a woman. The culprit has at this point of time been caught. He is going to be taken to court. But it's a shocking incident. How do you react?
So it is, as you said, it is unfortunate that the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta was attacked. More appropriately, I would say physically assaulted this morning during the Jan Sunwai program near her residence. We are all extremely upset, and I'm sure everyone will condemn this incident across party lines. This was a serious attack and certainly meant to cause more harm than it did. Fortunately, as you know the reports, she's escaped from minor injury, is resting, and she'll be back to work before you know it. The investigations have begun. The accused was apprehended and is being questioned. However, there are so many unanswered questions which we all are looking to. What was the motive of the attacker? Whether the attacker was alone or did he have any accomplice? Whether there was just an isolated incident or a part of a deeper conspiracy against the CM for the government. With time, all this investigation will surely reveal this. And, if anyone thinks this will deter the CM from doing what she has been doing since she took office, which is being amongst the people and doing hundred of such, Jan Sunwais for hours at a den, they're sorely mistaken, because I have the privilege of working under her leadership and can assure you she's not going to back down. And an incident like this happening to the chief minister, a lady, it's unexplainable. I mean, it just shows how people can act when they're just not controlled in a particular. In fact, right now, a tweet had happened where Aam Aadmi MLA, if I'm not mistaken, by the name of Anil Jha remark, have you heard it? Where they're endorsing that she has got this done on herself. I mean, instead of holding hands together against such a big thing, I hope this he's not echoing the voice of Aam Aadmi Party in totality. She's a woman, she's a citizen, she's a chief minister. This is very, very unfortunate what has happened today. But I'm sure the police will take charge and the investigations will unfold rather quickly.